Lumpini Park at Bangkok. Lumpini Park. I'll show you exactly the entrance part where it's written as a Lumpini Park. You can read here. Here you can read as a Lumpini Park. Lumpini Park is in Hyderabad, Necklace Road. I think it looks same. Here also Lumpini Park. This is the entrance gate. Here you should be careful that dogs are not allowed. Only certified dogs are allowed. People are walking, people are sitting, people are jogging. Big buildings in around of this particular place. You can find the park. Really essential. Such parks are very much essential for the pure oxygen. I am taking you near to the fountain. People are doing exercise here. The old man, you can see they are doing exercise. This is the habit of this place, open place. They do exercise in Bangkok city. When government allows them to keep fine. This place, I think, it's running like a track.